Hello everyone, welcome back to another video. So guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to get subscribe button on Snapchat in iPhone. So first of all guys, let me show you that I don't have subscribe button on my profiles and I have the new account. So I'm going to show you how to get the subscribe button on your new account. If you have the new account, it doesn't matter. So let's get start the video guys. First of all guys, we need to do the some step to make the subscribe button. Then open your Snapchat and tap on the profile, then tap on setting, scroll down. Then guys, you need to tap on everyone, contact me everyone, send me notification everyone, view my story everyone. So after this, just close the app and open your app store. Then guys, we need to download the VPN from here. So search for the VPN. Then guys, just scroll down and find the VPN master proxy. Here is it. So I have already downloaded it. Just open the VPN guys. Then guys, just skip the ad and tap on fastest location. We need to choose the specific location, US Dallas. So guys, US Dallas, find the location. Here is it. Now connect any server. Then guys, just continue with free ads. So guys, after the VPN is connected, now close it and open the Snapchat. Then close the Snapchat again. Now guys, just wait for a few seconds. Now open the Snapchat again. Then tap on user icon. Now scroll down. So here is the new option guys, add to Snap Map, as you can see. Now just click on three dots and here is a create public profile. Tap on and tap on continue, get started. Now where is the public profile? That means you have the subscribe button. So let me show you guys. You can guys add the profile, add the location, add your bio, make your profile picture. Now where is the profile? As you can see, I have the subscribe button. So thanks for watching guys. See you in the next video.